Okay, in this one we're going to ignore the space. How many different ways can the letters of the words happy days be arranged by themselves so each arrangement is unique? Now, by the way, letters are always permutation because order always matters when you're doing words. Okay, happy days. Excuse me. Let's see, how many do we, no, we have, it's permutation, we have repeated items. That's why we're using the formula I'm going to show. We put the total number of letters on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we put 9 factorial on top. Now H's, I got one H. So that's 1 factorial. Now A's, I got 2 A's. P, I got 2 P's. Y, I got 2 Y's. D, I only got 1 D. A, we did already. Y, we did already. S, I only got 1 S. So assuming my eyes didn't get off, we'd have this. 1 factorials you can just drop. So I got 9 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Okay. And so let's see. So factorial 9 factorial on top divided by. Now since we have more than 1 on the bottom, we have to put parentheses around it. So put a beginning parentheses. 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial, closing parentheses on the bottom. And press enter. And we have 45,360 as our answer.